Sometimes what you need to bag yourself a Guinness World Records title is effort, muscle, and agility. This is Guinness World Records Strength and Power Records. Let's kick off with a clash of the titans. Meet Zydrunas Zabikas from Lithuania, also known as Big Z. Going head-to-head to him is Thor Bjornsson. Fans of Game of Thrones may recognize him as the Mountain.
The battle begins now.
The record they are attempting is the furthest throw of a washing machine. Important rule, the washing machine is measured from the throwing line to the point where the washing machine first hits the ground. He's getting the crowd going. Come on, give Thor a round of applause as he reaches for his first washing machine. Here he comes. Throw! Wow. Slow motion action. Something quite satisfying about watching a washing machine explode. And throw! Wow! Unbelievable. And Big Z obliterates the distance of Thor, so he takes our first matchup 1-0 to Big Z. Thor is not happy.
I'm not happy.
Chris and Lisa Pittman are the ultimate record-breaking power couple. They both hold the record for the most pine boards broken with one hand. Chris's hand was broken during the attempt.
Mr. and Mrs. title done.
World's most powerful couple.
They may be the world's most powerful couple, but they can be tender as well. No. Former World's Strongest Man champion Eddie Hall has always been different. And he set himself apart from the competition when he completed the heaviest strongman deadlift. A whole half a ton. That's over 3 times his own weight.
You know, it was as if I just run a marathon. My blood pressure was through the roof. My heart rate was through the roof. I couldn't see properly. I lost my vision. I suffered very badly with the symptoms of concussion. I found 2 or 3 bulged vertebrae. Other than that, you know, all fit and healthy.
Atlas stones are heavy. Very heavy. These Atlas stones actually get heavier as she progresses. The last weight is the equivalent size of 2 average humans. She's struggling. Come on, Kim. You can do it. Done. Well done, Kim. Kimberly Berg lifted 4 Atlas balls in 20.42 seconds. This is called a layered bed of nails. You'll see why. The record is measured by the number of people lying on top of one another, but on a bed of nails. One question I have is, how do they decide who goes at the bottom of the layer? Let's check in on how the person at the very bottom of the pile is feeling right now. No human layered bed of nails is complete without the smash of a concrete slab. Wow, look at the imprints on his chest. The record was achieved with 8 layers. Hello? What's a London bus doing in the studio? It's a number 46. Asha Rani is going to attempt, yes, you guessed it, the heaviest vehicle pulled by hair. These are some serious strong plats. The bus weighs a hefty 12,216 kilograms. And the bus isn't empty, it's full of Italians. And she's very happy about this, very happy, lovely celebration. The mountain is back, and as we know, he's not happy about losing his washing machine title.
I'm not happy.
So this time, he's going for the highest beer keg toss. Here comes Thor. Momentum for his legs. He needs a big throw here. Oh, and just short there. Thor just knocks the pole. Here comes Big Z. Through the legs for momentum. He's in position and throw. Oh. Careful of the beer keg, Big Z. Here comes Thor. He needs a big throw here, and he's done it! Unbelievable throw. Thor takes the record. And a big bear hug from a big mountain. Who's this showing off their amazing ninja skills? It's stuntwoman Chloe Bruce. Chloe hails from Sheffield, Yorkshire, and began her training at the age of just 8. Chloe looks quite similar to Rey from Star Wars, and that's because she's her stunt double. Here's Chloe attempting the Guinness World Records title for the most scorpion kicks in 1 minute.
Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time. Yes! High five!
Chloe looks exhausted, but manages an amazing 31 kicks. More raw power now. This is Kevin Taylor from the USA, smashing car windows with his fists. Kevin seems to have a problem with glass. Lost your car keys? Call Kev. And now it's time for one of our younger Guinness World Records title holders. Pumped up and ready to go, this is Avinika Sadavakazova from Kazakhstan. And this record is for the most full contact punch strikes in a minute by a female. Look at the speed. Quick, 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 quick. She can't stop. She's like Rocky Balboa. She can't stop. Oh, she's knocked down the coach. She achieves a record-breaking total of 654. Strongman Martin Tai is preparing for a big lift. Martin's an ex-serviceman who now competes in disabled strongman competitions. That's 550 kilograms right there. Look at the effort in Martin's face. More hair power now with Georgina Santi.
Una.
This is Georgina attempting the Guinness World Record title for the most pine boards broken by a weight attached to the hair in 1 minute. Not sure how she worked out how to do this unusual skill. Matteo Pavoni has strength and balance. Here he is, pulling the heaviest vehicle, walking on his hands. Now for the final of our Clash of the Titans, Thor versus Big Z. We've seen them throw washing machines and beer kegs. Now, it's time for fridges. No, 2 fridges. In order to complete this record-breaking skill, they must carry the refrigerator 20 meters. Here comes Big Z as he's attempting to get over the 20-meter line. Can he do it? He's turning bright pink. Not quite, he's just short. Big Z, one last effort to get over the line. Done. Here comes the mighty Thor. Now he needs to beat his arch nemesis Big Z in the final fight-off. Here's Thor taking advantage of his height. 4 looks a lot more comfortable than his arch nemesis Big Z. Strong and steady. No surprise that a man from Iceland is good at carrying refrigerators. 4 is victorious. He is the winner of the Clash of the Titans and a great guy to help you move house.
Sarà teatro di una sfida tra questi due e quindi ne vedremo delle belle. Thank you, Zid.
Kevin Bergquist is breaking concrete blocks. What's that in his hand? Well, it's a raw egg. Kevin began practicing martial arts when he was just 5 years old, and currently he owns his own martial arts studio. Kevin gets his revenge on the last standing blocks. We're not sure when Kevin started practicing with eggs. This is a team effort for the most baseball bats broken with the shins. As Kerim Dugu successfully breaks them, his supporters are getting new ones in place for him to smash. The rules for this eye-watering record also state that the challenger must not wear any protective clothing over his legs. Kerim is a professional kickboxer, but apparently has never played baseball. Here we have Maskim Trogonovets, or Max True, putting the muscle into muscle-ups. Here he is achieving the Guinness World Records title for the most consecutive muscle-ups. Max did 26. How many do you think you could do? Canada's Gene Caron has an old car and 5 minutes to see how many times he can roll it over. Turns out the answer is a record-breaking 13. I hope he's not planning on driving that car home. Breaking concrete blocks to break a record. This is Ali Bashitepi, who takes just 4.75 seconds to break 16 concrete blocks on the body. Do not try this at home. In fact, do not try this anywhere. And finally, it's time for coconuts. This is Abish P. Dominique absolutely smashing it in every sense. This footage is in real time. Look at him go. I cannot imagine how one's hand feels after a record attempt like that. Abish achieved a record of 122 coconuts in just 1 minute. That brings us to the end of the Strength and Power records. What was your favourite record? Let us know in the comments. For more record-breaking action, don't forget to subscribe.
I'm not happy.